Obviously, Cameron McAdoo's season did not start the way he wanted, coming out before the first race and telling everybody that he was injured, has an ACL problem, and will be racing or trying to race the year through it. Now, obviously, first race, podium, great. And the last time we saw him, Detroit, massive crash, not so great. Obviously, this is him afterwards, and you could tell like he hit that ground super hard, broken teeth, as he has said, and he was definitely out. I still cannot believe that they made him walk. That's my personal opinion on this, but I don't know. And as I'm looking at this now, from Steve Mathis saying, quote, word is McAdoo getting knee fixed after SX, so no MX for him opens door for Drew Adams. Now, it makes little sense to me. I mean, he's 11th in the championship, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong there. So he's out of the championship. Why not get the knee fixed now? Come back for some portion of outdoors and try then. Because at this point, you're not racing for anything. Supercross is done for you. You know, you're out of the championship. At best, you're doing is earning some points for SMX playoffs, which you can do the exact same thing in the outdoors. And I don't understand the point of not having it fixed. I mean, obviously, SMX is the big money side of things. It's where you want to be seen. You want to, you want your sponsors to know you're doing well. You want your team to see that you're doing well. If you're going to get contracts, it's because of Supercross, not for motocross at this point. So that point, I understand. But if you're this far down, you're obviously not going to have a good year, points wise, position wise. You know, even if he goes and wins a couple races, I highly doubt it. I mean, that would be a good turnaround for him, but doubtful at best. And for all intents and purposes, Supercross is where you're going to get injured easier. I mean, look at him. How many times has he crashed in Supercross and had some pretty bad, the starfish crash? And I mean, not saying you can't crash in motocross and get hurt, but for him, at least, Supercross is a verified danger. And I don't get it. I mean, obviously, like I said, you want to be out there and showing for your team that you are racing and you're doing well and you're, a useful part of the team or useful like a rider that deserves that bike. But if all you're going to do is, have a mediocre year now, rolling around with a hurt leg and possibly get hurt even worse because, weak leg leads to less grip on the bike, could possibly come to more crashes. And to me, it's a weird thing. I mean, it's obviously his decision, him, the team, whoever he's working with. They have their decision, and that's the only thing that really matters at this point. Well, no matter what anybody says, it's up to him and the people around him. But for me, it's just why not get the knee fixed now? Take the time off, get the knee fixed now, then come back later in the year or whatever. Because if you, if he gets it done before motocross, there's that whole season done. Probably the playoffs done if he's even, able to do it with the points. And to me, it's just why not just fix it now? Be done with it. Why wait an extra couple months or month or whatever it's going to be whenever he actually does have it done? And strange, but so I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Should he have it done now? Should he keep racing? Do you think it's dumb either way? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out. And I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.